welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be making for 4th of July cupcakes. Woohoo! Today I'm going to be saying happy birthday to America. I am actually filming this video July 3rd, which is the day right before 4th of July. So I'm gonna be making these cupcakes for my family. Let's get right into it. Before we actually start cooking, if you have an oven like mine, what you'll have to do is take out anything that's inside of the oven right now, and then turn on the oven light, and then you're gonna press bake, and then set it to 350 degrees. And you also have to have a large bowl to mix it again. So there you go, you have your bowl. You're gonna have to have sprinkles for decorating, and I got this really cool 4th of July themed one. It also has some chocolate and some multicolored one, cupcake liners also. So I like icing. I hope this isn't enough for my 24 cupcakes, because honestly, I did not think this through. What you're gonna have to have is, of course, a cake mix, and it actually shows you how to make cupcakes right here. So I'm following that. Now, since this is not a homemade cake, I'm following directions from a cake mix, because I don't have all that much time today, so I was like, we'll make it quick and easy. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna open this while it's preheating. Right now my oven is at 100 degrees as of right now. I'm just gonna open this, take out the, ooh, so soft, okay. So you're going to need 3 eggs, half cup of veggie oil, and 1 1/4 cup of water. And then, of course, this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a time lapse of this so that you guys don't have to watch me. Once you have everything in here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your spoon or whatever, a whisk or whatever that you have, and you're just gonna mix it. Once you have mixed it so it is smooth, what you're gonna do is you're going to take your cupcake liners and open them, and we're going to get our cupcake pan, and we're going to put these in the pan, and then we're gonna keep dollops of this into here in the cupcake pan. Now we're going to stick these babies in the oven for 15 minutes. So my first batch of cupcakes are done. Now I'm going to let them cool off before I icing them up, and then I am going to, right now I'm going to make a second batch, since my only cupcake pan, it only holds 12 cupcakes, so I'm making a batch at a time. So now I'm going to stick these in the oven again for 15 minutes. While my second batch of cupcakes is in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and icing my cool cupcakes that I have on this little cute platter. So this is like a pre-made icing. I got this at Walmart, so I don't know if this is gonna work the way I'm hoping. Oh my god, I just poked myself in the eye. I don't know if this is gonna work the way that I want it to, but we're gonna see. We're gonna try. We're gonna learn how this works. So I know how to do this. Just I can't do it the way that it's supposed to be done. Oh my god. Oh, okay. I'm not gonna do too much because I have to icing a lot of cupcakes, and I'm worried that they're gonna look like trash. Hey, that's not too bad. Oh, never mind. That looks. I mean, it's not the ugly.
I'm shaking right now. I can't. I'm not cupcake big right now. Okay. I'm getting better as I go. That's a good thing, by the way. Wow. Okay, woo. Yeah, I do have to conserve my icing because this is all I got. That's all I bought, so. Which I think it's what it's made for, and I think that it's. Oh my gosh. I got one. Okay, so now I'm going to get these. Let's put it all. And it says on those cupcakes, so try to keep an eye on that too. I hope they taste good, at least. Sometimes if it tastes good, it's worth it, so. Okay. So we got 4 down, not 8. It's somewhere okay. I don't take math anymore. Okay. Skip this on the cupcake. Oh my gosh, this looks terrible. I don't even have words. I'm trying to talk while I do this, but it's really hard to stay focused. Okay, I'm halfway done. Hope it lasts. Well, on the last cupcake, if I didn't have that much, I just pour the whole thing on that one. Knowing me, that's what's gonna happen. Not too bad. Okay. It's actually not. It's not awful, y'all. Like they're okay, honestly. But if I had to like put icing in a bag, that's where I quit. I actually tried that one time. No wait, yeah. It was actually the last year, 4th of July. I was making these same cupcakes stuffed in chocolate because I love chocolate. And so I was making these, and it was just me and my mom, and we had made cupcakes. We were trying to like fancy it up, and like we're talking about we did like panache filling, and like we tried to do this frosting so tall and so perfect, and it was crap, honestly. Okay, last one for this batch. And it should be some time to take those out of the oven. That's not that bad! Actually, it's not that awful, okay? Like, I did a good job. Wow! That's actually not terrible. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is, what's the we got about 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and decorate these. So I'm gonna put them back on here. And then we're going to get those cupcakes out. I'm gonna take those cupcakes out and ice them and then decorate them. But I do have a whole batch made and it's ready to go. I'm actually so proud of myself. Oh my gosh. They actually look halfway decent. Yay!
I took the second batch of cupcakes out, and now I'm going to icing them. Now I'm going to actually do a time lapse on that's because the other one, it was really long, so. So now we're going to decorate these. I think I'm going to use the one that has red, white, and blue on it. Don't dump them, but like, don't dump them. I'm just gonna kind of pour them on there. Ah! Oh, that's going everywhere. I'm gonna get the vacuum after this. Okay. They look really cute. Oh! Guys, I'm gonna have to do a cupcake montage. I just heard some hit my floor. That's nice. I touched it. Whoops. Okay. That just went everywhere. Well, you know, it's a part of baking is you make a huge mess. And then you have to clean it all up. Okay. Here comes my... But they actually look really cute. I'm so excited to hand these out to people because I love taking food over to my neighbors' houses and just seeing their faces like light up. And they're like, oh, thank you. And it makes your heart warm. And it makes me sad to know that some people don't have that experience, like having neighbors that you walk over to their house and just to say hi and like give them things. Like, kindness is truly so important. Now, I'm not trying to be like a total, I'm not trying to be like someone's mom right now, but I think it's really important that we give each other and not want to receive so much, because that's not why we're here. We should want to make others happy also. So, okay, now I'm done with the whole kindness and all that bull crap. It is important though, trying to find ways to make people happy. It's important. But now let's get back into baking. They look good. Okay. We're done.